Myself is Dr. Sunil, who is Assistant Professor in Botany in Government PG College for Women, Rohtak. And my PowerPoint slides that basically based on the ephedra. And ephedra, as we all know, ephedra is a gymnosperm, and that's having the common name that is known as a Chinese ephedra or mahong. It is having the systematic position that's known as division, that is Genitophyta, class Genitopsida, order is Ephedrales, and the family is Ephedraceae, and the genus is Ephedra. And distribution, that the plant belongs to the Genetium family, and it is having to the grow about 60 centimeter high. And Ephedra is an evergreen shrub-like plants native to the Central Asia, and it is a joint pine or joint fir. It is grow in a dry climate, and it is basically have the species known as the Intermediatia, Saxatilis and E. foliata, and it is found in the dry parts of Punjab, Haryana and Rajasthan. Plant body, it is sporophytic and show the xerophytic characters. It is found to be have the woody shrub, and it is found to be have the equisetum in its external morphology. It is having the three parts, that is root, stem and leaves, and whereas the root is found to be the tap root and having the adventitious root, and it is having the root hairs and having the mycorrhiza. There is no mycorrhiza. Mycorrhiza, as we know, that it is a symbiotic association of the fungi with the roots of the higher plant, that is known as a mycorrhiza. Stem as we know, that is stem is having the girth, and the stem is differentiated, that is in the green, ribbed and branch and fluted and differentiated into the nodes and internodes. Node is a space that between the two internodes, and where is a internode is a space between the two nodes, and that is known as the internodes, and it is found to be have photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is a process by which the plants prepare their food by using the sunlight and by using the carbon dioxide and water, and they make the food and release the oxygen byproduct. And the branch arises are the axillary buds, therefore in the pairs of 3 and 4, and whereas the branches are green and differentiated into the nodes and internodes. Leaves are small, scaly, and present the pair at the nodes. Leaves unite at the base, and leaves are two branch and parallel veins. And the function of photosynthesis is carried by the green stem, and foliage leaves are absent. It is basically having the anatomical characters, that is having the TS of the young stem, TS of the old stem, and anatomy of the leaf. Ephedra, that is a TS of the young stem that show the ridges and groove. It is having a thick layer of cuticle and sunken stomata. It is having the chlorophyll containing the green cell are present. It is having the intercellular spaces are present, and it is having the vesicle cylinder, that is endowed siphonostele. There is a TS of the old stem, that is a single layer heavily cuticularized epidermis, and it is found to be have presence of vessels, resin canals are present, and parenchymatous pith that is present in the center. TS of the leaf, TS of the reduced leaf, that is a reduced and the membranous scaly leaf, and epidermis consists of elongated and oval. Stomata when present are sunken, and vesicular bundles are 2 in number. Economic importance of the ephedra, it is having the ephedrine, that is the alkaloid that is used in several species. It is used in asthma, bronchitis, cough, cold and nasal disorders, hay fever, and used in the kidney disorders. There is a decoction that is used in syphilis and rheumatism, and where is the epidermis, it is used in the cardiac and the circulatory stimulant, and where some species are grown as an ornamental plant. Whereas the cultivation is, it is found to be an altitude of 2500 to 3000 meter, and ephedra is found to be have dried in sun, and even by artificial ways after drying they are stored by the dry and well closed containers away from the light. There is a chemical test. There is a ephedrine dissolved in the water, with dilute with a hydrochloric acid and then treated separately with the copper sulfate and sodium hydroxide, and solution gives a violet color. It's shaken with the solvent ether, and organic layer shows the purple and the aqueous layer shows the blue color. There is a ephedra show there is a sympathometric effect and used as a bronchodilator. It is having the hay fever. It is action in the prolonge, and there is a ephedrins having the hypotensic effect. Then there is the jointed fur. This jointed fur, this is known as a ephedra, and it is found to be a shrub, and it is found to be a jointed fir. Reproduction male, that is a staminate flower, and pollination is anemophilous, and most pollination changes occur. And megasporangium ovule, that is a centrally located nucleus surrounded by the two integuments. An outer integument is a cup-like and inner integument elongate to form the micropilot tube. And megaspore is haploid and represents the first cell of the female gametophyte, and the female gametophyte megaspores enlarges in size and nucleus divides mitotically to form the two nuclei, and nuclei divide by the free nuclear divisions to form the large number of the nuclei. Whereas the cells of the female gametophyte towards the chelysel and store the food, and towards the micropylus and develop the archegonia. Archegonia, that is the female sex organ. Archegonia initially divided to form the upper primary neck and the lower central cell, and primary neck cell divides to form the neck, having 32 cells arranged in the 8 tiers, and the nucleus of the center cell divides to form the upper ventral canal cell and lower egg nucleus, and the egg nucleus gets surrounded by the cytoplasm and develops its own wall and becomes the egg. Development of archegonia. It is a slide that shows the development of archegonia, how it is archegonium initial, divides into the neck and the central canal cell, that forming the neck cells and the jacket layer, and that forming the egg nucleus, and there is a central cell and jacket layer. This is basically, there is a archegonia, that is a neck, ventral canal, nucleus, center cell, and there is a egg nucleus. Embryology. The cells are around the fertilized egg, disintegrate, and diploid nucleus of the zygote form the 8 nuclei after the free nuclear division, and formed by the form of 8 cells which behave as a proembryo. Whereas each proembryo forms the suspensor tube, which at its terminus form the embryonal initial. And embryonal initial divides to form the basal and the terminal cell, and terminal cell form the proper embryo with the 2 cotyledons and shoot apex and the root apex. And the ovule after fertilization develops the embryo and becomes the seed. This is the structure of the seed, and this is seed germination, and this is the economic importance, that is the ephedrine, and that is thank you at the last, and hope you all best and doing the well. Thank you.